Project and Portfolio 5. Better Health Insurance app. Hi everyone, welcome to my final project review for Better Health Insurance app. Over the past month, we've gone from initial development to a successful app launch. In this presentation, I'll provide a full recap of all the milestone objectives I've accomplished, show you my time logs for the entire project, discuss the user and device testing I completed, and share some final reflections and lessons learned. I'm happy to report that all of my project milestones were completed successfully. Looking back at the past few weeks, my journey included several key objectives. Week 2, building the core app. I began by building the core app functionality, focusing on the client application and essential navigations. This involved creating the fragment home, main activity, and mobile navigation, bottom view, and activity menu files. I also developed the initial informational pages, including About Danny and contact pages, and created the login model for administrative access. In week 3, I focused on the user forms and backend dashboard. My most recent work focused on developing a new client sign-up screen. To create a seamless user experience, I modified the manifest to open the Jot form, CSM consent form, and designed the user interface by creating the layout for the sign-up XML and writing the code within the sign-up fragment. I then implemented the client detail fragment and designed its layout to display client request information. To improve user navigation, I enabled direct navigation from the dashboard fragment to the client detail fragment and the contact update fragment. I also used the admin dashboard view model to support these new features and enhance the overall dashboard functionality. The final milestone was the app's successful deployment to the Google Play Store, which involved building the release APK, creating the app listing, and getting it published. I'm pleased to say that I have hit that, resulting in a fully functional and publicly available application. Throughout the month, I used both WakaTime and RescueTime to track my time investment. My WakaTime logs show a total of 13 hours and 14 minutes spent on the project over weeks 2 and 3. My primary coding languages were Java at 57% and XML at 31%. My RescueTime dashboard provides a broader overview of my productive work. In week 2, I logged 27 hours and 58 minutes of productive work, with 51% of that time dedicated to software development. In week 3, I logged 43 hours and 58 minutes, with 37% of that time being in software development. This consistent effort reflects the intense focus I had on getting the project completed. In addition to coding, I performed extensive user and device testing. I used an Android emulator to ensure the app's UI was responsive across various screen sizes. I also conducted hands-on testing on a physical Android device to verify that all features, including new client sign-up, Jot form integration, and admin dashboard, were working smoothly in a real-world environment. Reflecting on my overall performance this month, I'm confident that I managed my time effectively. I was able to accomplish everything I set out to do, from the initial feature development to the final development. The key to this success was meticulous planning. I broke down complex goals into smaller, manageable tasks, which made it easier to stay on track and meet all of my deadlines. One of the most valuable lessons I'll take away from this project is the importance of a well-defined development plan. Getting an app published isn't just about the code. It involves a lot of administrative and technical details that need to be accounted for in the project timeline. This experience has taught me to budget sufficient time for every phase of development, from the first line of code to the final publication and maintenance. This is a lesson I will carry with me into every future project. Thank you for watching this presentation. It's been a great experience working on this project, and I look forward to applying these lessons to my future work.